If you want a powerful gaming setup without a big, bulky desktop tower, Gaming Mini PCs are becoming one of the most popular choices in 2026. They are small, energy efficient, and surprisingly powerful, offering great performance for gaming, streaming, office work, and even content creation. In this video, I will show you the top 5 best gaming mini PCs of 2026 based on performance, processor power, graphics capability, storage, connectivity, and overall value. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. KAMRUI E3B Mini PC Ryzen 5 7430U. Starting with one of the most balanced mini PCs in this list. The KAMRUI E3B comes with the AMD Ryzen 5 7430U processor, which offers strong multitasking performance and can reach up to 4.3 GHz boost clock. It includes 16 GB DDR4 RAM and a 512 GB M.2 SSD, which ensures fast boot times, smooth app switching, and stable gaming performance for light to medium games. For graphics, it uses integrated AMD Radeon graphics, which is suitable for esports titles, casual gaming, and streaming setups. One of its biggest strengths is connectivity. It supports USB Type-C, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, and triple 4K display output, making it great for productivity and multi-monitor setups. Pros: strong Ryzen 5 7430U performance, 16 GB RAM with fast 512 GB SSD, triple 4K display support, Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2, compact and efficient design. This is best for users who want a balanced mini PC for gaming and productivity. Number 2. BOSGAME E2 Mini PC Ryzen 5 3500U. Next is a budget-friendly gaming mini PC designed for basic performance needs. It runs on the AMD Ryzen 5 3500U, which is slightly older but still capable of handling light gaming and everyday tasks. It comes with 16 GB DDR4 RAM and a 512 GB NVMe SSD, giving decent speed for multitasking and storage. It supports 4K triple display output via HDMI and USB-C, making it suitable for office setups and light gaming stations. It also includes Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth 5.0. Pros: affordable and budget-friendly option. 16 GB RAM and 512 GB NVMe SSD. Triple display support. Compact design. Good for office and light gaming. This is ideal for beginners or budget users who want basic gaming and productivity. Number 3. BOSGAME P4 Ultra Mini PC Ryzen 7 7730U. This model steps into high-performance territory. It features the AMD Ryzen 7 7730U processor, offering excellent multi-core performance for gaming, streaming, and multitasking. It includes 16 GB RAM and a large 1 TB NVMe SSD, giving both speed and storage capacity for games and files. One of its standout features is dual 2.5G LAN, Wi-Fi 6E, and Bluetooth 5.2, making it extremely strong in connectivity and network performance. It supports triple 4K display output through HDMI, DisplayPort, and USB-C. Pros: powerful Ryzen 7 7730U processor, large 1 TB SSD storage, dual 2.5G LAN for fast networking, Wi-Fi 6E support, excellent for multitasking and gaming setups. This is best for users who want maximum performance in a compact form factor. Number 4. ACEMAGICIAN Kron Mini K1 Ryzen 5 7430U. This is another strong mid-range gaming mini PC designed for stability and performance. It uses the AMD Ryzen 5 7430U processor with up to 4.3 GHz boost clock. It includes 16 GB DDR4 RAM and a 512 GB SSD, making it suitable for multitasking, streaming, and casual gaming. It supports triple 4K display output and includes Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2 for fast connectivity. Its compact design makes it ideal for small desks and clean setups. Pros: strong Ryzen 5 7430U performance, compact and space-saving design, triple 4K display support, Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2, good balance of price and performance. This is ideal for users who want a clean and powerful mini PC setup. Number 5. GMKtec M5 Ultra Mini PC, Ryzen 7 7730U. This is one of the most powerful mini PCs in this lineup. It features the AMD Ryzen 7 7730U processor, designed for high-performance computing, gaming, and multitasking. It includes 16 GB DDR4 RAM and a 512 GB NVMe SSD, with upgrade potential depending on usage needs. One of its biggest strengths is connectivity, including Wi-Fi 6E, dual 2.5 Gb Ethernet LAN ports, USB-C, DisplayPort, and HDMI for triple 4K displays. This makes it ideal for gaming setups, content creation, and multi-monitor productivity. Pros: powerful Ryzen 7 7730U processor, excellent connectivity options, dual 2.5 Gb Ethernet LAN ports, triple 4K display output, great for multitasking and gaming setups. So, which gaming mini PC should you choose? If you want the best balance of performance and value, the KAMRUI E3B is a strong choice. If you are on a budget, the BOSGAME E2 is the most affordable option. If you want maximum storage and network performance, the BOSGAME P4 Ultra is ideal. If you want a clean and powerful mid-range mini PC, the ACEMAGICIAN K1 is a good pick. And if you want the most powerful overall performance, the GMKtec M5 Ultra is the top choice. All of these mini PCs offer solid performance for gaming, productivity, and everyday use in 2026.